Look up, meaning to search for information, to recover from an illness or injury. For example, you need to look up that word in the dictionary. Fortunately, she's looking up after a week of being sick. Look down on, meaning to consider someone or something as inferior, to treat with disrespect. For example, he always looks down on people who have different opinions. The shop owners shouldn't look down on customers based on their appearance. Look out, meaning to be careful or watchful. For example, look out, there's a car coming. Look out, there's a branch about to fall from that tree. Look after, meaning to take care of someone or something. For example, Emma looks after her younger siblings while their parents are at work. As a nurse, her job is to look after patients and provide them with medical care. Look on, meaning to observe without participating, to perceive or view something in a particular manner. For example, they looked on as the kids played in the park. She tends to look on challenges as opportunities for growth. Look for, meaning to search for something. For example, I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? The detective is looking for clues to solve the mystery. Look in, meaning to make a short or informal visit to a place, to put something inside a container, space, or location. For example, I'll look in on my neighbor later to see how she's feeling. Can you please look in the fridge and see if there's any milk left? Look off, meaning to direct one's gaze away from something. For example, he looked off into the distance, lost in thought. Look back, meaning to reflect on the past. For example, as I look back on my childhood, I realize how much I've learned over the years. It's important to look back on our failures to understand how to improve. Look ahead, meaning to anticipate the future. For example, we need to look ahead and prepare for potential challenges in the next quarter. Instead of dwelling on the past, it's better to look ahead and work towards a better future. Look forward to, meaning to be excited or eager about something that is going to happen. For example, I'm really looking forward to the summer vacation. We've been planning it for months. The children are looking forward to the holiday season and all the festivities. Look through, meaning to browse quickly or scan. For example, I need to look through these documents to find the relevant information. The detective had to look through the evidence to find any clues that could solve the case. Look around, meaning to explore or examine a place. For example, we decided to look around the city during our school trip. They decided to look around the museum to see all the exhibits. Look away, meaning to turn one's eyes away from something, often intentionally. For example, it was difficult to look away from the accident scene.